overworked unit can lead to more serious issues. This is probably the most important thing you can do for your air conditioning unit.
The suspense is terrible.
Hey everyone, Eric here from 5-Star Home Services. Today, we're going to cover the 4 things that you could be doing to prevent an air conditioner breakdown. Let's dive right in and keep you cool all summer long. Here are 4 steps to prevent an air conditioner breakdown. First up, let's talk about scheduling an annual tune-up. This is probably the most important thing you can do for your air conditioning unit. Tune-ups include essential maintenance work that involves checking your machine for AC problems. This will be very useful later on because your unit will be less likely to run into issues. Getting a professional to check out your AC is a great place to start. Step number 2, keep the outside area around your unit clear. Be sure to keep the area outside of your unit clear of debris. Trim the grass and clear away any branches or leaves from the previous season. If this isn't done, it's highly possible that your debris and dirt can build up on the inside of your machine and prevent it from working properly or working at all. Step 3 is crucial. Inspect and change your air filters every month. Dirty air filters are a leading cause of malfunctioning air conditioning units. The good news is that it's kind of the issue that is completely preventable. A dirty filter blocks airflow, forcing your unit to work harder to compensate for the subsequent lack of cool air. An overworked unit can lead to more serious issues, so it's important that you check and change your air filters as needed throughout the summer months. Most standard 1-inch thick pleated filters should be checked monthly and changed every 1 to 3 months. Finally, step 4, keep air vents open and unblocked. Closing off your air vents isn't a good idea, and it's not going to save you money. In fact, it can disrupt the air conditioning system quite easily. Your air conditioning unit is designed to handle a certain pressure load for your home. Closing the air vents makes it difficult for the unit to do its job and will cause it to work harder, potentially leading it to shutting down from overexertion. If you are shutting vents to try and direct more air to some rooms and less to others, you may want to consider a variable speed system that can distribute air more evenly throughout your home. You can consider a zone system to segment your home, although these systems can be problematic if not installed correctly. Following these 4 steps will help you prevent an air conditioner breakdown and keep your home cool and comfortable. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us at 5-Star Home Services. Until next time, stay cool.